Hello, Dragon Riders. It's me, Onyxia from Onyxia's Lair Productions, and I'm actually here. I just got back from where the hell was I? Oh, EB Games, and I got something picked up. Where the hell is this thing? Ah, here it is. TitanFall Collector's Edition. All right. Now I get to actually do this. Where's my knife? Yeah, I know I'm probably late with doing an unboxing video. I had some trouble getting this thing, actually, so that's why it's so late. And I just cut the box. I didn't cut the tape at all, I just cut the box. I'm that smart. So, with that, I am a genius. You may now all call me Genius. Oh. So I'm just going to place this right here. Alright. Actually, I should probably place it over here since that's where the light isn't. Alright. So, pull this up. Holy crap, I cannot do this. Oh my god, what is still connected? Okay, is this all just a casing around it? Sorry, it's taking a while. It's horrible. I can't figure this out. I think this is all just. Oh wait, I got it. There we go. Holy crap! All right. Limited edition collector's edition statue. Certificate of authenticity. Wonderful. Oh yeah. Two little INC, I think these guys are. I honestly have no idea. Oh. Gray styrofoam. And voila! One Titan. One Ogre Titan to be exact. Alright. Oh, that's still styrofoam. Alright, so yeah, this is pretty cool. Don't know what's these strings. I guess that's just to make sure that he doesn't fall apart while shipping. Let's see. Where'd my knife go? Here it is, because I need to cut the strings. There we go. That's one off. They really want to make sure that this thing does not break, which is really good, because I don't think anybody would want it. It's pretty lightweight. Basically, all the parts that could break off are attached like this. It's actually very light, which is good. The plastic doesn't seem to be too solid, which is why the packaging is so solid, I guess. Well, at least they took in consideration about box weight and everything. But yeah, seems like everything that they did with this guy made sure that it would properly work. And just gotta get this off his boot. And voila, that should be every piece. And there we go. That is all of them. Alright, now, these two should go. Where do they go? Guess it would be on the box. Pretty sure he goes here. Oh, okay. This may take me a little bit. Okay, I just gotta look at the box, see where these guys actually go. Alright, and with that one goes there, that one goes. Okay. I believe I figured it out now. So, from the looks of it, looks like he would go. Why am I having so much trouble with this? I don't think that he would go like that. But it seems that this guy would go right here. And the second one, which hole would be? Maybe this? No. Too small. Too small. Too small. This one seems right, but it just how he leans and such, it doesn't seem right. Unless that's actually right with how he leans. But I honestly don't know. Alright, and so there's a lot of actual detail to it. Every single little detail. No, that's not adjustable. Looks like they didn't make anything adjustable. Yeah, everything's actually calm. Or, not calm, firmly in place. Which is okay. The hands seem like they can adjust yay big. Other than that, it's like all this is actually part of it. I honestly don't know if this is right or not. I mean, how he leans and such doesn't seem right. No, I'll check that out. This little box right here, or this little rock, actually is the light up. So as you can see, when you press it, all the systems light up, and it's got blue and red switches. If you want to turn it off, you just leave it alone for a little bit. So yeah, there's that. There's the big old statue that comes with. I'm going to figure out where he goes to make sure. Okay, and then along with the rest of the box, game, yes, I got it for Xbox One. I'd rather play Xbox One version. And with this, you get the Art of TitanFall, Collector's Edition book, which is a nice hardcover, which I like. And for the last little thing, sorry, this is taking a while. One-handed is not the greatest thing to work with. Oh my god, my camera angles are going to be so screwed with this. Posters are annoying to work with one hand. Oh, okay. Come on. There we go. There we go. Alright, and with this, you get an Atlas version poster, schematic blueprint thing. It shows parts, where everything goes, which is actually really nice. And with that, that would be the whole unboxing. This is Onyxia DM, and I'll see you later, Dragon Riders.